You only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough. Think about that for a moment. You only get one opportunity to write the story of your life, one chance to decide whether you'll spend your years building someone else's dream or creating a legacy of your own. Every day that passes is an investment. You're either investing your time into a future you control or trading it away for a paycheck that stops the moment you do. The truth is, most people aren't looking for luxury. They're looking for freedom. Freedom to spend more time with family. Freedom to travel without asking permission. Freedom to stop worrying about the next bill. Freedom to wake up excited about the future instead of anxious about making ends meet. What if there was a business where your success was built on helping others? At TruPowur, you're not selling people something they don't need. You're helping businesses and homeowners reduce one of their largest monthly expenses, energy. Every customer you help has the opportunity to save money, recover refunds they may be owed, and gain access to competitive energy solutions that fit their needs. And while you're creating value for others, you're building something many people spend a lifetime searching for: a recurring residual income. Instead of starting over every month, you have the opportunity to build an income that compounds over time as your customer base grows. Every conversation has the potential to create long-term value, not just for your customers, but for your future as well. You don't need decades of experience. You don't need to invent a new product. You don't need to carry inventory or lease a storefront. What you need is a willingness to learn, the determination to take action, and the desire to build something that can continue paying you long after today's work is done. At TruPowur, you'll have access to industry-leading technology, powerful marketing tools, comprehensive training, experienced mentors, and a proven system designed to help you succeed. Because success isn't about luck, it's about making one decision and consistently acting on it. The people who create extraordinary lives aren't always the smartest or the most talented. They're simply the ones who decide that average is no longer acceptable. Imagine where you could be a year from now if you started today. Imagine looking back, knowing you took the chance instead of wondering, what if? The life you've been hoping for isn't built overnight. It's built one customer, one relationship, one decision, and one day at a time. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a 7-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day, energy, it's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowurCareer.com, and we'll see you on the inside.